Alright guys, right where we left off. Welcome back with Mark Jackson, and finally on the way to Housewares. Yeah, from the start of this DLC. This is where we're...
Doesn't sit right.
Yes?
Yes.
Wouldn't peg you as the Rapture type. Not even a little.
If you mean I have no interest in joining the Andrew Ryan Book Club, you'd be right. Just another set of fanatics with a different set of books.
You're screwing with us, Elizabeth. There's something about you, like Booker said, does not settle well in the stomach.
What?
You asked me how I lost Sally. I gamble. Took her somewhere kids got no business being. I was winning. A place like that, you don't let a kid out of your sight.
But you did.
Yeah, and here we are.
Anglerfish.
The million-dollar question is...
We're not that deep. Come on now.
I have an interest in reuniting you with her. Isn't that reason enough?
Surreptitious is the word, boys and girls. Surreptitious is the word.
Level when he said this is where we'd find Sally.
I can only imagine what they would do with a child in a place like this.
Cohen's halfway to Splicetown. Probably thought putting a child in prison would be high art.
The sooner we find her, the better.
Cohen on the level. Not exactly what would work in the same sentence. Ooh, we can... No. Oh. But we saw Sally right there. Are there any more fools in here?
Sally, come out of there.
I can't see her.
Did need it. Whoops.
What are you doing?
She's a
This is a
little
schematic
sister.
for the venting system. It shows there are more vents like this one in electronics, the bistro, returns, the
Can
book
I look at it?
department, and the appliance
Yeah? No?
So?
If she's in there are only 6 vents she can come out of. Now there are 5. All these vents are connected to the central heating unit. If we close them off and turn the heat up, she'll be forced out through the central exhaust. It's the only exit.
You want to burn her alive?
No, we just make it hot enough to flush her out.
Can't do that.
I still don't like it.
Either we find her, or one of those splicers will.
You got a point, but, well, I guess if you
Where are the
can't
other
stand the
vents?
heat,
Up ahead.
get out of the kitchen. Close all the vents. I don't like this, boys and girls. And I had 3 or 4 things to say and forgot them all. Yeah, Booker said he gambled. And that ultimately led to losing Sally. Who the hell is Sally, other than the fact that she was this kind of this strangler in this... straggler in this verse that just kind of hung around. And, most importantly, bring us a girl and wipe away the debt. And Booker just said he was a gambler and that's how he lost her. Well, that seems a little bit loaded to me, because you just don't go to a casino and gamble your... Well, I suppose you do that in the Middle East, so never mind. Yeah, you just don't gamble away your daughter.
Seems right up your alley.
Child's play.
And then Liz said something very surreptitious. I just get this feeling that she's using me. There's a bistro over there.
Oh, Mickey just wants to give you a little
Oh, that's
squeeze.
water. That's water.
You don't want to disappoint your old uncle now, do you?
Oh my God.
Ain't no fair keeping that tasty Adam locked
Wow,
up.
that didn't work?
Ain't no fair.
Quiet, you yegg. She comes
I'm calling
down
bullshit on that. It looked like water.
Not
Oh,
the
it doesn't
vinegar.
extend.
I gave you my all.
All shots missed. Well, that was nice. Come on up the stairs then. Can I possess you? No, I can't. Iceman. Oh, broke my shield. And oh, I'm slow because I got hit with the ice. Bust my shield. Hell, still okay. We got vending machines, so ammo won't be a huge issue. What is up with...
Vent over there.
Vent over where? I assume it's going to point me to close the vent. Electronics, okay. Money, money, money.
Welcome to the circus
Alright.
of value.
I'm gonna kick myself for only buying one of these, but that's all I'm gonna buy. Shotgun ammo, 6 of 8. Carbine ammo. Didn't start very well with the carbine ammo. But all in all, I think we're doing okay. I don't think I'm gonna need... Let's search the area before we start spending money on everything. Yeah, help. Lockpick. Excellent. How many? Just 2? That sucks. Ooh, we need to get over there. That's a plasmid. Yes, we need to get... How do we do it? So I'm not even going to risk that. That's electrified as hell. Cables? Yeah. Now let's search the corpses and reconnoiter. Okay, cool. Ooh, a code. Let's play it. Hello?
Oven of the future, huh? Yeah, that kid got hold of that damn radar range last night. Started
What's that?
trying it out on everything. Apples, marshmallows, spoons. Had himself a fine time until our Pekingese stepped in the way. For some reason, I'm the one in touch with the wife. Well, I locked the damn thing up. Oh, so don't forget the code. It's 3958.
Now all we got to do is find the code, but how? Give us some money. Hopefully we'll find some Eve. Winter boost, huh? Increased frozen state. That might be worth buying. Chain aid might be worth buying too. Because it's cheaper. Yep. Yep. I'm on a budget. Money and resources have been relatively sparse in this game, but we're doing okay. So now we got a code, I believe it's 3958. And all we need to do now is find where we're going. Find the radar range. And, okay, that's because my quest is... And it's not giving me a... Yeah, it's not giving me I'm hitting the nav thing that points the arrow, and all it does is pop that up. So I am going to think that it's probably close. Best guess. Sorry, guys. Alright, so let's orbit the area.
Welcome to the circus of value.
Just double checking. Nothing. Alright, so... Let's... A lot of signs for the bistro. And, oh yeah, bucking Bronco, too. Where the hell do we find that? Money, please. Can we even use it? Oh, we have accelerator mod. Slow cook mod causes radar. What is this gun? Radar range? Like, what is a mobile microwave or something? Can't afford any of it anyway, so I mean, I'm just curious about the what weapon that is.
I have been in the weeds this entire shift.
They don't have heads.
It's just terrific. Oh, the two of you. Oh, and
Allow me to adjust yours. Anybody else? I hear people splashing about. Oh, yes. Yes.
who moved my glasses?
Oh, sorry about that. I'm going to take their word for it on this. Giving us carbine ammo. So, just trying to use the ammo up that they offer us is all. Balance this as best that I can. Not yet. Hopefully not ever.
Restaurants? roach in your cell.
Okay, that's water. Ooh. So the plan is...
Do it.
There!
Get some! Oh man, they got electrocuted this... That was great. Still just find the radar range. That's all. That's all, folks. No nav bar, no nothing. Well, yeah, actually, I absolutely should have. Alright. Yeah, this DLC is really... Oh, we have one event that we can close. Let's do that. I had a feeling that we were going to have to run around all this, you know, but it's always the same thing with me. It's go the wrong way first.
It's a radar range. Never could figure out if the thing's designed to cook a turkey or a splicer.
Oh, cool! And we do have the code.
No way to get in without knowing what it is.
What the hell was the code? I forgot.
The future, huh?
3958?
Yeah, the kid got hold of that damn radar range last night. Started trying it out on everything. Apples, marshmallows, spoons. Had himself a fine time until our Pekingese stepped in the way.
Awesome.
And for some reason,
I'll get there.
one in touch with the wife. Well, I locked the damn thing up. Oh, so don't forget the code. It's 3958.
New one.
All I could think was there
Just
are
want to look around.
millions of bacteria in each drop of saliva. Did he brush his teeth? Well, what if he touched a doorknob and then put his fingers to his lips? I waited weeks for that kiss. And ruined.
Yeah, see, one of the... Ooh. Who's talking? Psychopath, whoever it is. Bring that in, just in case. Unless we can bring in the turret again, and it doesn't look like it, so... Okay, then. What the hell is this thing?
Don't pretend you don't
do it.
Done!
A legend!
Look at this thing. It's crazy. Oh my god! Oh, it's a microwave cannon! Blow up! That is awesome. And it has ammo. Oh man, it's got a decent amount of ammo too. Sweet! Well, we should get paid, get money together, and go and upgrade this thing as soon as we can, because I like it. Yeah, I think we kind of got lucky with that code. Gotta be honest with you, I just kind of stumbled onto that voxophone. Full. What do we have? Reserve here. So we got one closed. Now we've got our... Yeah, now we've got our nav bar back because we completed the quest. Little side quest to get this bad boy. Now what's the meter on it? Yeah, nice first person aim there. I want to try this thing again. We're still a long way away from the mods, but I want that increased damage. That is incredibly cool. I like it. Can we buy ammo for you here? Wow, $8 for 6. Wow. I don't know, boys. That might be a little OP. It just might. Let's rock this for a minute. Go back to possession. Oh. Yeah, that went just a little bit ham. Sorry about that. Alright, we're back here now.
There's another vent.
Hooked up on this cable. Oh, okay. I ran right by this one. I was a little bit wrapped up, though. But what about this? And that plasmid? I got an idea. Please don't be a waste. Looks good.
This is what happens.
Gee. Alright, Iceman. Well, you know what? Yeah, that sucks. How about this? Get dosed up. Wow, look at this thing. It's so awesome. We got our asses kicked, though. Unfortunately, we got another lockpick. That brings us up to 3. Man, lockpicks have been rare. Not a big fan of the pistol, but... well, I'm not against it either. Man, this is... curious to say the least. Alright, so... it's pointing us towards appliances and toys. Which is what it was doing originally. Really like to upgrade this thing, but no dice. What we need to do, though, the whole idea was to save money here, but what we need to do is... now we're good. Alright. Never mind then. We need some health. Is the thing. And the steam coming out of it. Please tell me that's not a... okay. I'll take a doll. Just not a real kid. Got a tear right there. Medical kits. Decoy. Freight hook.
It's not working.
Do it.
Done.
Where is she?
Ooh, she's...
Worry so much
they
because
saw
I
us.
love you.
They saw us. Metal kits are what we need, though. Should we make a beeline? Try that for... no, we're not hitting him. Come on. Wait a minute.
Run to the police station. Do what I say.
Come on, give me some. Give me $1. And we... now we can beeline for him.
Confront your weakness.
I think I just... yeah, I did. Yeah. Shit. Alright. Taking cover behind a dead burnt baby. They're still out there, boys. They're still out there. We're not under any illusions of that fact. Should we microwave them? Microwave! My God, boys.
There you go.
Nice.
What
do you have for
exactly
us?
were they trying to keep out?
Something worse than them.
And what could that be?
You'll know it when you see it.
It burns a hell of a lot of ammo. I'll tell you that. So we're gonna... whoops. Keep hitting the wrong button.
There you go.
So we're gonna take it easy on this guy for a minute. Head on back over to our rifle. And then maybe work the shotgun a little bit, which has been more impressive than I thought it would be. I've got to be honest with you. Oh, delay on the... of course.
You want to mind control everybody? Public address system. That's how you do it, Kara. Just like that.
Another significant area to search here. Well, we got to get these vent shafts turned off. Oh, Jesus, not stupid, Mark Jackson. Close range, this thing really hurts. Yep, I like it. I gotta admit. I'm liking the shotgun. Empty. Oh, I could have just... Man. Radar range ammo. Good stuff.
Can you open this, Elizabeth?
Okay.
I didn't even read if that took a hairpin, so we'll look and see if it...
All yours.
It did take a pick.
Even your parents are behaving.
What the hell is this place?
Really? You mean it?
Okay,
I tried
mannequins
so
and then...
hard to reduce to fit into this gown.
Adjust your neck.
I don't know if she was dangerous or just insane.
Next time, I'll
Both.
be sure to ask.
So, this is crazy.
No, don't you dare. That earwax, that stuff's golden. Gums up the works. I can't make you my slave.
What do you see, Liz?
Why can't Franklin read quietly in a corner like I did as a child?
Alright, sorry about this. New hat. Bullets have a 50% chance to do fire, electric. Alright, that is really good as opposed to using the sights after. I'm gonna have to equip this gear, guys. I mean, both are good, but I'm gonna have to equip that gear.
Careless. Not a single
50%?
thought to where an accident might leave us.
Wow.
Dr. Wortham prescribed a plasmid. A mother's little helper to keep me sharp. I've had my misgivings, but I let my guard down for a second. That boy may get himself killed.
Well, who's getting married? God, this place is bizarre.
Ryan's playing more like a cheap fiddle.
Can we get through here?
Know how they dance.
I keep hearing them coming from that way. But man, as weird as this place is, I think the only logical question is to ask, why did Hillary Clinton cross the road?
All of these jerks. Meat puppets, Kara. All of them. I'm the only one who knows the score.
My boy! Just going to stand there with your mouth open? Enough of this tomfoolery.
Enough of this tomfoolery. Oh, it did ice damage? Oh no, Iceman. Gets up. Oh, 2 for... Man, I like the shotgun. I didn't think that I would. This thing's something. Yeah, sorry about that. Guys had a brief, rude interruption. Alright. Yeah, that kind of pissed me off. I shouldn't have picked that up either. And now, what I really think we should be thinking hard about, Eve. We don't need it. Just want to save the stuff if we have to come back.
Over there.
Where? Over where? Aha, another one.
Observation number 17 regarding unknown phenomena.
Okay, next one.
Presents is odd shimmer through which is observed what? Men in strange hats, women in large dresses, buildings that float. Is phenomena window to other space? Other time? What was it Einstein said? The only reason for time is so not everything happen at once.
Should we use the picks, guys? And once again, that audio log was talking about
Locked. Elizabeth?
Keep a lookout.
Bioshock Infinite. And yeah, I'm trying to get picks and
It's
burnt
done.
this up. But the last safe that we had, boy, did it. Yeah, I was hoping for more, but that's not bad. 203. Salt minus E. Nah, I mean, we don't need any of that. Drink gin. Nah, we're good. So, what we want to do here is this. Hopefully there's a method to my madness. It's not that one. It's right over here. Slow cook mod. Accelerator mod. Yep. You know, and well, we're broke. Radar range, ammo, yes. 300. I think we're good. I think we're good. So, now we're headed right back. So we've upgraded this brand new weapon we found, and the thing was already a beast. But now 25% more damage, I can get with that. I don't know about you guys, but I can get with hitting people with a mobile microwave. Because that's sure as shit what it is. Oh, and offhand, we got Bucking Bronco, too. Oh, which gives us a lot of... Yeah, we got a lot of uses. Whoops. Not what I wanted to do.
Didn't give him my message.
Okay, so yeah, we got a bad guy over there. And a bad guy over... You know what? I like the shotgun. I should have went melee on her probably, but maybe you can sneak around this guy and move up on this position from the rear.
In my own home.
Get some. Oh, and this new perk, man! I electrocuted him as well. Shit. Shit. Oh, he whipped our ass, but we got him good. Yeah, I was trying to hit him up. Turned out to be too late. And I froze the samurai. Man, I love this piece of clothing. Just excellent, excellent gear. Freezing. This thing does it all, baby.
Okay.
Take one. 2 rounds with a shotgun left. There's the vent. That's what we're looking for. All right.
There should be one more.
One more, huh? Get the samurai
Sure
again.
thing.
You better have my back, bro. I also wanted to say thanks so much for all the new subscribers. Man, it took me 6 months to get to 50 subs. I know it's a snowball effect, yeah, but when I first started YouTube, it took literally like 6 months. 50 subs. I've gone from 200 subs to... I know. Just looking around. I've gone from 200 subs to coming up on 250 now in a couple of weeks. So I really appreciate you guys coming by. Hope you enjoy the content. I know I'm having a blast with this game. And Barely at Sea of course has a episode 2, chapter 2. And we're going to be doing that after this.
I got what it takes.
Yeah, but I got Afro Samurai. Don't shoot at me. Go after the samurai. Let's watch this. More. Wow. 2 in 1 shot again. What ammo is that? Tommy gun ammo. So, let's use a Tommy gun. Just so we can implement that. And now what I want to do really is flip back. Just in case these guys give ammo. And if they do give up ammo, I want to make sure it's for the shotgun. It's my thought process. No such luck. Tommy gun ammo and ammo full right there. But the samurai is doing us well. Once again, Krim. Notice me, senpai. You guys don't need to know what that means. I'm feeling good about lockpicks now, bearing in mind that we burnt 3 on that safe. Not saying go that way. Not prepared to do that yet. I already searched that course. Yeah, alright, so, yep, we know where we are. It's right through this door, correct? Yeah. Freight hook. Maybe that'll allow us to get over. If
Sally?
Uh-oh.
Sally, it's me, Booker.
Little sister.
Now, you come out now. Sally? Dear, do you hear me? It's me, Booker.
Sorry.
Now listen, dear. You come out right now.
Mr. DeWitt, she's not coming. Now let's get the rest of these vents sealed. It's the only way.
Let's seal the vent. Well, first, let's... Maybe she will come out. Maybe they'd be kind of a surprise. I have no idea. Yeah. Yes. All right. Can we do this?
Locked. Elizabeth.
Sure thing.
Doesn't cost anything, so.
All done.
Appliances. All right, well, first let's close the vent, and then we'll see what's cracking there. Please quit blocking me.
That's the last one.
Where's
That's
the
it,
exhaust?
In the toy department.
Okay, we just got to save, guys. I'm not sure how long this episode lasted. I had to get up and walk away from the PC for a little bit. So, yeah. Why did Hillary Clinton cross the road? We brought that up, didn't we? Because her dick was stuck in the chicken. I've been Mark Jackson. I'll talk to you later. See ya.